So this issue came up before the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Hindustan Zinc Limited versus Rajasthan Electricity Regulatory Commission. 2015 का जजमेंट है सुप्रीम कोर्ट का and it is a division bench judgment.
Can you please tell us, is renewable purchase obligation applicable for captive power consumer?
Oh, that's wonderful question. So issue ये है कि क्या renewable purchase obligation power consumers के लिए applicable है कि नहीं है? So this issue came up before the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Hindustan Zinc Limited versus Rajasthan Electricity Regulatory Commission. 2015 का जजमेंट है सुप्रीम कोर्ट का एंड इट इज अ डिवीजन बेंच जजमेंट, जहां पे चैलेंज किया गया था रेगुलेशन 9 ऑफ राजस्थान इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रेगुलेटरी कमीशन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी ऑब्लिगेशन रेगुलेशन 2007 को. सो रेगुलेशन 9 टॉक्स अबाउट कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस ऑफ डिफॉल्ट इन रिन्यूएबल परचेज ऑब्लिगेशन. कि जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्ट सेक्शन 86 सबसेक्शन 1 क्लॉज ई में ये प्रोवाइड करता है कि स्टेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रेगुलेटरी कमीशन, सो वन ऑफ द functions of the state electricity regulatory commission is to promote cogeneration. I will read electricity act, so which provides section 86 subsection 1 clause E, promote cogeneration and renewable energy generation by providing suitable measures for connectivity with the grid, specify for purchase of electricity percentage of the total consumption of electricity in the area of distribution licensee. So this word area of distribution licensee was interpreted in that only distribution licensees have complete the obligation of renewable purchase obligation, or they are only the obligated entity. But then this judgment, Hindustan Zinc Limited versus Rajasthan Electricity Regulatory Commission judgment, clarified that this obligation is not limited to distribution companies. This obligation is also, the obligation also extends to captive power users. It also extends to open access consumers. So even if you are taking power from, not from DISCOM, from somewhere else, certain percentage has to be renewable energy. Even for captive power consumers, if it is generating the entire power from thermal power plant, but then the percentage required in renewable purchase obligation has to be from renewable energy sources. So it is perfectly clear that RPO, renewable purchase obligation, applies to DISCOM. It also applies to open access consumers. It also applies to captive power consumers. So everybody has to follow renewable purchase obligation. So hope I have answered the question.